Here I have CUBOT X18, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Do Not Disturb. You can switch this mode here. You can select its like Do Not Disturb mode, like you have the total silence, alarms only, priority only. You can set a schedule for it here, like not schedule, the default duration, like for how many hours you want it to be turned on. You can also go to the more settings of this mode. Here you can manage the priority only allows. For example, it could be alarms, reminders, events, messages from anyone, from contacts only, from disturbed contacts, or from nobody. The same goes for calls, and there's also an option repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, allow it. There's also an automatic rules, which basically just a schedule for this mode, like you can enter the name of the schedule, at which days it actually works, start time, end time, and select the Do Not Disturb mode. And you can also block visual disturbance. You can block notifications when screen is on, and you can also block notifications when screen is off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.